discovering your true nature. What's really amazing about non-duality studies, enlightenment, is how complicated Eastern mysticism has made it seem. Like, why? I mean, you take the slightest little, analysis of what we're talking about, discovering your true nature. Your true nature. It can't be that hidden. It can't be that complicated. It just simply must be so much easier and simpler than Eastern mysticism makes it be. And oh my gosh, the insanity that comes from this complication. Like all the workshops on Kundalini and, I mean, it's insane when you're trying to find your true nature. Who are you as the most natural human being that you are? Simply relax and you're in it. And maybe that's the secret right there, because our entire society is based around not relaxing, not just being. We have to constantly fill ourselves with some kind of activity. And that's what Eastern mysticism has done to mysticism by making it seem so complicated that we spend our entire lives searching for something completely simple: your being. It takes a lot of trust, because you have to step out of all of the lies that you've been taught about who we're supposed to be. We're actually just us, right? So simplicity, simplicity, simplicity. Relax into that, and that's where you'll find this unmysterious true being.